Hi, this is Mitra Shahi. I'm the owner and founder of Maison Interior Design in Los Angeles. Today I want to give you 5 tricks to make your space look like a pro did it. Hang your drapes from all the way from the ceiling, maybe a couple inches lower, because it makes the ceiling height much higher and it makes the room much bigger. If you're redoing your kitchen on the budget, the best thing to start with is to put a fresh coat of paint on your cabinets. If you want to be a little edgy, you can have 2 colors. Maybe the side cabinets and your island would be 2 different. If you don't have an island, have the upper cabinet and the lower cabinets 2 different color, and keep your countertops more in the neutral colors. The other thing you want to focus in the kitchen is your hardware. Hardware makes a huge difference. Pick something fun and nice and bold, and then you will have a brand new kitchen. On any table setting, adding fresh flower elevates the feeling of the room. A side tip: add faux flowers to your fresh flowers. It adds volume and it makes it last much longer. The next tip: go bold or go home. Add oversized art pieces, wallpaper, or unique lighting. These items pulls your room together and makes it more appealing as you're entering to the space. Last but not least, clever storage ideas would be something like ladder storage, banquet seating with the storage under them, or ottoman with the storage. These items you can hide your toys, paperwork, blankets, and keep the clutters away. Thank you for listening. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at La Maison Mitra for more tips and tricks.